Hello everyone, and welcome to kind of a odds and ends video for Roblu. In this video I'll cover scouting, CSV exporting, and just kind of some of the extra features that I wasn't able to cover in the other tutorial videos. So Roblu has a lot of features to facilitate a fast and easy. Why is Bluetooth enabled here? To facilitate good scouting on for your team. So I'm just going to go over some of those options right now. So the first option, all right, if I can, so if you go to a team profile, I think, you know what? Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to delete the event and randomize one. Do a randomized event just to kind of, so you can get the feel for how it goes here. To use a template form. Oh, save. Okay, so did I accidentally? Okay. So one of the cool features about Roblu is the overview tab that is automatically generated for each team. So the overview tab is automatically generated, right? Nothing in here is, you can't edit anything in here. But you'll see that there's several different cards that show up. So first off, you'll receive a Blue Alliance information card. And this is really cool, right? I can click on a team here and it'll bring me right to their website. I can click on the Blue Alliance team page and it'll bring me to this team's Blue Alliance website. If possible, Roblu Master will download an image of this team's latest robot. And then, of course, you'll get metrics. You'll get custom metrics defined. Graphs for the metrics that you have. These will only include observed metrics, and I think I've explained that in the forms video. And you can zoom in and pan around on these graphs. And you'll also receive kind of a other notification here, which isn't really anything too important. You have a gear icon here as well. The gear icon will allow you to mark as lost or mark as won a certain tab. And you also see that the color of the title bar up here will change. And that'll represent which alliance this team is on. You can also go to this matches page really easily and see what what the Blue Alliance says about this match. You can manually add a match if you want to. So that's just a couple other features here. You can scroll along this quickly. You have powerful filtering options, right? You can filter teams by all sorts of different ways, right? I can sort by a specific match. I can sort by quals 1, and it'll show me all the teams in quals 1. I can search a team, really quickly. So that's pretty straightforward. You can manually add a team here, delete teams like so, and of course it will confirm that. Another cool feature is you can use the My Matches option here to get a list of all the matches you're in. It'll show you your team number here, when the match is scheduled for according to the Blue Alliance, which alliance you're on, who your teammates are, and who your opponents are. You can actually go ahead and tap on a match here, and instantly, let's say you want to check out 2861, you can head to that opponent's profile right away and kind of look through it, right? As I said before, you can look through the overview tab to kind of get a quick view of what this team looks like. And then another powerful tool, again, is the custom filtering, right? If you want to choose a team who's really good at cubes and scale, right, you can select cubes and scale, and it'll rank them by who's best at this particular metric. As far as settings go, I covered most of this in the events tutorial video. Create CSV. Create CSV is a really powerful function that allows you to export scouting data in several different formats. So you can select the file name here. You can select the file type. I would recommend XSLX, which supports rich formatting and multiple embedded sheets in one thing. But if you need kind of if you're using Tableau or something, you can use a simple export CSV, which just is comma separated. You can select which sheets you'd like to generate here. So you can go ahead and select all of them. And what this notice says here is that when you click this button, the spreadsheet will generate for a while. It looks like we had an error occur there. Interesting. Or maybe not. Yeah, so sometimes this share dialog won't always show up right away. So if that happens, just be patient after the Roblu dialog finishes. And if you didn't get enough share options in the share dialog, like let's say you're using a Fire tablet, make sure that you try downloading a file manager from the Google Play Store. You'll get a CSV sheet that looks something like this, and I explain this in the Forms tutorial video if you want to go ahead and check that out. Let's see, UI customizer, you can customize just about any aspect of the UI, and this will sync across multiple devices, which is really cool. You can import and back up the master form here. Yeah. That's about it. Like I said, this is kind of an odds and ends video. One other thing that is helpful is if the Blue Alliance or First API websites are down and you aren't able to import a match schedule, you can go into event settings and manually import a schedule there. So you can actually head to the Roblu GitHub page, head to Wiki, and click manually importing a match schedule. And this will show you a tutorial of how to set up that. So, yeah, so that's just a couple odds and ends. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next tutorial video.